So a few people were asking me for the PDF for the live that I held tonight. So this here is so this here will be SE Mathematics 2024 section 2. This is the PDF, right? So we're rolling through slowly. This is the only way I can post this as a video. I'll be screen recording it, okay? So we have number 21, trying to go a little slow. You could pause it where you see fit. Pause it, let your child write it down, or if you need to go through it, you could move accordingly, right? So this is your answer here. Going down, that would have been number 21. Then we have 22. So you could let them read it. Then you could probably pause the video, let them try it. What I can do is I could actually send this down. Let's do that. So this was the answer here for the first one. So this is 22. All right. So you can pause it, let your child try it, and then we're going to scroll down to the answer here. All right. So this would have been the answer for number 22. Scrolling down, we have 23. All right, so I have some writing here. This is 1/2, this is 2/4. Explain why the fraction models represent equivalent fractions. And then we have the answer down here. The fraction models above represent equivalent fractions because square A has 1/2 shaded and square B has 2/4 shaded, which means, well, a half is equal to 2/4, so they represent equal fractions. Scrolling down, you all can pause where you see fit. All right, so we send this down. All right, so you could probably let your child have a go at it, pause it, let them try it. All right, and then we scroll down to the answer here. Stall A, this is what went on. Stall B, this is what went on down here. So stall B ended up having the cheaper price because 45 is less than 54. Number 25. I have a lot of writing up here, so they might be able to try this question, but this would be the answer underneath here. All right, we found AC first, length of AC, and we know 4 times BC is AC, and then the opposite of multiply, which well, multiply and times are the same thing. Carry to the right. Had to divide by 4, so I invert, which means to flip and multiply. Why is this so close here? Let's set it down, right? So BC is 1/2. I give them a visual here, right? Between B and C is not 1/2, sorry, it's 2/9. So between B and C would be 2/9, but C is at 5 at 2/9. And if we want to find out what B is, it will be 2/9 to the right, which means we are minusing 2/9 here. So we got B to be 5. Any that I don't have writing on, I could set it down so your child could try it now. So you could pause it, let them try it. Scrolling down now, this is a visual on it, right? So you have the different colors here. Every set would have 3 blue going down. We had 20 sets, so we multiply 20 by 3 to get my answer here. I could set it down again. Why isn't sets going down? Send that down, right? Your child could try this one now. Pause it, let them try it. Scrolling down, this is my answer here. Let's see what's going on with 28. 28, I have a lot of writing on it, but we could also send this down, let them try this, pause the video, let them try it. And then we scroll into the answer. Okay, I like how this P look in here. Let me fix this one time. Draw is boom, is that. Right, pencils are approximately equal to 2, etc. So David does have enough money to purchase all the items. So here we are 29. I can send this down also. All right, let your child try this one. Pause it, let them try it. And we have the answer down here, right? We want to find the perimeter because they actually the length of the wire. Right, so that is our answer. Here the question. Let's pull this up. So we have this is the question here. Your child can try it. Okay, scrolling down to the answer now. I found the LCM of 3 and 4, which would have been 12 Ds until he plays both sports again. So he plays both sports on, well, it was on the 5th. So 5 plus 12 will be 17 to play all again. This question here, this would have been the visual on the workings, well, the writings that I had on the question itself. And down here, we proceeded to find the answer. So we got 173 cubes. This question was a little tough, but this is what needed to be done. So you could probably let your child try it. And let them try it. And then we're scrolling down. So this is the answer here. This is the answer. What is going on here? What is this slash? I think this slash is supposed to be on the 6. So we're going down to the answer at the bottom here. The answer would have been 4:10 p.m. Alright, big up Cohen Springer who passed through and worked out these questions first. Cohen Springer did this one. 32 to 36, I believe. Big up Cohen Springer one time. What's going on with this, right? So he did pass through and he gave us some tips on how to work this question. Basically gauging the distance from this end to the line of symmetry. It must be the same thing on that side. Right. So I might have to send this one down also because this one has a drawing. Hexagon. Looking for 2 right angles. This would have been the complete drawing here. And this one was simple. This is the mean. So Cohen was showing us to use like so far here. And then new sum would be this. And then the new score would be 74. Set this down here. Okay. Set this down. This would have any question. Probably I'll make it a little smaller. So you have your block graph, right? Number of tickets sold. So they ask you how many students sold at least 3 tickets. At least 3 tickets means 3 tickets or more. Right? So we worked it out to simply be, it will be these 10 students here, these 5 students, and these 7 students here. So that is the end of section 2. So y'all check it out. Thank you for being with me. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.